Well, it finally happened. The Last Stop Watch channel finally hit 3,000 subscribers. What does that mean? That means that each of you that commented on my previous video on the Blackmorn watch straps are now entered into a chance to win 2 Blackmorn watch straps of your own. This video is the video in which I will announce the winners. 2 things first. 1, thank you all for your kindness and patience throughout my watch journey. I've been having a lot of fun collecting watches and learning to build them. And I hope the channel continues to grow and I continue to reach more and more of you who are interested in some of the same things I am. Secondly, let's get today's wrist check out of the way. Today I am wearing the Pagoda watch that my wife bought for me Christmas 2 years ago. I really like this watch as it's not a very big watch, but it's a very stylish watch and has a sub-seconds dial on it, which I really like on vintage watches. With those 2 items out of the way, let me go over some basics. First, I will be using a free website called pickawinner.co to go through the comments on my previous YouTube video on the Blackmorn straps. Now, of all the comments, regardless of your location in the world, I'm going to pick a winner, and then that person will have 5 days to reach out to me at the email address bryant@reviewsfornerds.com. No, it's not an email address related to this channel, but it is the all-encompassing email address I have for the 2 channels that I operate. So what you'll need to do if you are a winner is you'll need to screenshot your comment and send it to bryant@reviewsfornerds.com. I will not be communicating with you via text, any other email address, WhatsApp, or any other method. You will have to email me. Once I have confirmed that you are the person who has won the strap, I will give you an option. Do you want to take both straps, or do you want to pass one of the straps on to someone else? Either way is fine, but if you do decide to only take one strap, please let me know which strap you would like, and then I'll send the other strap to the second winner. If you do not respond to me in 5 days from the publication of this video, I will have a secondary winner lined up. I will switch over to one of the alternate winners that we will be picking today, and that person will then get the same choice. With those ground rules out of the way, let's get started. So here's the website, pickawinner.co. This is the YouTube link, and based off of all of the comments, without any repeating comments and replies to comments, we have a total of 18 comments to choose from. So your odds are really good you're going to win some watch straps today. All I've got to do is click this button, and at Griffin14 with congrats on the 3K subs, you are the winner. Now, you will have 5 days from the date that this is published to email me at bryant@reviewsfornerds.com with information so that I can ship the watch straps to you. If at Griffin14 does not respond in 5 days, our runner-up will be at Tanradsan. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Thank you for the compliment, and thank you for watching the video. If at Griffin14 doesn't respond in 5 days, you will be our runner-up winner. And hopefully things are just that simple. I've never done a giveaway before, and I'm a little nervous to be quite honest, but I'm very excited to have had someone as nice as Blackmorn send over something for you guys so that I can send something to you as a thank you for being a subscriber and watching my videos. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Wear what you love.